attention. Stop clapping your hands right now, everybody. Havana Cafe. Stop clapping your hands, stop clapping your hands. Stop clapping your hands, stop clapping your hands, stop clapping your hands. Everybody stand on Frestina!
Imagine was like, oh good, I see some black people come in. He was like, good, because I got 2 black Dominicans. I was like, I'm Dominican. But you know, I lived in Dominican Republic for like 7 years. I lived on like 176 in Amsterdam. And everybody thought I was Dominican. I'm telling you, when I first moved up there, I was like, who the fuck is Morena? And why? You know, I was just like her. Everybody was saying hi to me, Morena. I was like, what's up here? Who is she? So yeah, you know, I like to do this because, you know, sometimes I'm happy, sometimes I have attitude, but whatever it is, I have you guys undivided attention and I can get my shit off. And, you know, y'all can talk about me later and I wouldn't really care because I don't know anything. But I'm gonna say, I do not like to be judged, but I am mad judgy, okay? And today my daughter judged me because, you know, I put up a little picture on Instagram. She gonna call me and tell me, you need to get more likes. But you know, I felt the way I already had 2 likes. It was her and my sister, but I was like, so I'm not doing, like, if you're on Instagram and no one likes you, are you not really on Instagram? You know, I didn't get it. You know, I mean, I gotta go to Facebook because I'm sensitive, you know? I did, I'm too sensitive, you know? People, you know, on my birthday, somebody gonna say to me, HBD. That sounds like a damn venereal disease. Why you can't say happy birthday to me? It's 3 words. I don't want HBD. I'm giving it to my friends. Now they believe me because I got HBD. So wrong. It's wrong. Everything makes me, and like I said, I am very judgy, and I hate to be judged. Like, I'm exhausted at the end of the day because I have judged everyone that I cross paths with. And that exhausts you, okay? And it's wrong because I was in a situation that I was judged in, and I shouldn't have been. I was robbed. I was robbed by gay guys, okay? Yeah, it's funny, but not at the time. But you know, like I felt the way, like this guy snatched my bag, and I snatched it back because I thought it was a game at first. I thought he knew me. So I snatched it back, you know, and then somebody snatched it and then like pushed me down the stairs. At the train station, so like I ran up the stairs because I'm from Brooklyn. I was gonna kick ass, but they were gone. This guy come to me, he like, Miss, did you just get robbed? I'm like, yes. He's like, oh, I think they threw your bag away around the corner. I was like, yay. Because I just got that bag. I just got that bag from TJ Maxx for 2 weeks. Showing it to you, like my bag. You like my showing around the corner, yes, it was my bag. But then I was like, wait, that just robbed me and then they threw away my bag. Like shit ain't fly. You know? So I'm a crime victim and a fashion victim all on the same night. That's just, you know, I'm just saying that, you know, we judge too much. Don't judge me. And I will judge you. So anyway, yeah, like this. So I want my little notes up here because you know, I can't remember. Oh, and I was gonna say this though. I was gonna say this. What is up with the emoticons? Like it's bad enough we done stopped saying words. Now we done stopped saying letters and it's just pictures. Because I'm a woman of a certain age, I can't see what they are. I don't know the proper response because I don't really see the face. I got this for my damn phone. It's a magnifying glass. I don't want to respond appropriately. I don't know. Like, you know, one time I just saw you sending me little vaginas. It was hand clapping. I don't know. I want to be relevant. You know what I mean? So I'm going to tell you that. Okay, so I told you my Facebook, my bag. Alright, listen, so I'm going to tell you this other part. And these are not even jokes. These are true stories. I just recently retired, but before I did, I worked for like a government agency. So you have to put in a slip to have a day off. Request for or notify, you know, notification of. I'm big Freddie May. I'm always notifying. So I put my little slip in. Supervisor gave it back. They said I couldn't have the day off. And I was like, oh my God, that's so odd because I'm going to be off on Tuesday. You know, but that's how I said that. To him, I said, okay, thank you, have a blessed day. say is Ebonics for fuck you. I don't know, can you say, I mean, I didn't even judge in that moment. I just said, I'm gonna pray for them. And then I went to lunch. So now I get into an altercation with the chick at the counter. And, you know, we worked it out, but at the end, she says to me, have a blessed day. I'm like, wait, did this bitch just tell me fuck you? I was okay? And, you know, I'm not going to really take up a lot more of your time, but I am going to tell you this because we are friends, and I'm telling my personal business. I am bipolar. Yeah, and you know what? It's not even really a thing, because I know men out here are bipolar too, alright? So I'm not, you know, it's not, but the thing about being bipolar is, it's only hard when you're in a relationship. You know what I mean? Because everything you do, then your partner want to say you did that because you're bipolar. You know what I mean? Like, maybe I just don't like my fish fried in flour. Maybe I like, you know what I'm saying? Maybe I like cornmeal. Why do I gotta be bipolar? Because I like to fuck fish. You know what I'm saying? Or, you know what I'm saying? Maybe I don't want cabbage in my collard greens. You know? So, I mean, I'm just saying that, you know, putting it out there, you know. And, yeah, I just want to share with y'all my bipolar at the end of it. No, some of y'all who are dating bipolar chicks, she's not bipolar because she wants you to pick up your dirty drawers, okay? Just pick them up and put them shits away, okay? God, she's gonna wash them, but she gotta see little stains on her way. But anyway, so that is that about that. My name is Francina. They call me Big Franny Mae. If you love me, yay. And if you